Hi, Busker909 here. That was my interpretation of Baby Please Don't Go for the 4-string cigar box guitar tuned GDGb, open G. I'll take you through it. 2nd string, 10th fret. You can use your 2nd or 3rd finger, doesn't matter. Then 8, 11, 8 on the high string. Back to 10 on the 2nd, slide up to 12. You only hit it once and slide, like this. There you go. And we put in a little bass fill. That's just 3, 5, open on the low G string. So that was lick 1. Lick 2 is almost identical, but instead of going from 10 to 12, you go from 12 to 10. I'll spell it out for you. 10 on the 2nd string, 8, 11, 8 on the high string, and then 12 on the 2nd string sliding down to 10. And of course add our bass riff. Okay, I'll play that bunch together for you. Now we get a little more complicated. We do the first lick again. Then we jump down here to 6 and 3 on the 1st string. And then we slide from 5 to 7 on the 2nd string. And then we go 5, 3, 5, 3, and land on 5 on the 3rd string. You could also play that open. If you prefer that open sound, I kind of like to be able to do some vibrato. And then, finally, to cap it off, the bass run. So I'd just like to point out, when you're playing something like this and you have a lick like this, you can steal that for yourself. Just change it around. Or speed it up. So without knowing anything at all, you know those notes work in G. So any blues song that you learn, that's part of the trick to the whole thing, is as you learn these songs, is steal the licks and change them into your own style. Without any musical knowledge whatsoever, you know what key they work in. You'll be able to sort of string them together and create your own solos. And we're tuned to a power chord down here, G, D, G. So you have the choice, not just going. You can also go 2 strings, or if you want to get crazy, 3 strings. You can make it way more intense. Hope you found that helpful. Have a great day and thanks for watching.